In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the best ways to earn money online from home. The best part, you don't need to keep stock, pack products, or save anything. You create a product once and you can sell it again and again. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered if you could make money online without packing products, handling deliveries, or keeping inventory? The answer is yes. One of the best ways to earn money from home is by selling digital product. In this video, I will explain what digital products are, which digital products sell the most, where you can sell them, how to create them using free AI tools, and how beginners can start earning online. So watch this video till end. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Anu and we are going to talk about one of the best ways to earn money online, work from home. First of all, let's understand what digital products actually are. Digital products are files that people buy and download online. They don't exist in physical form, so customers receive them instantly after purchase. Some examples include ebooks, Canva templates, printable planners, resume templates, digital art, online courses, Notion templates, again and again. Let's look at some of the best digital products for beginners. So there are ebooks, Canva templates, social media templates, resume templates, printable planners, study notes, online courses, budget planners, business cards, digital invitations. Choose a product based on your skills and interest. Now you might be wondering, how do I create them? So don't worry, you don't need expensive software. You can use Canva for designing, ChatGPT for writing content, Google Docs for formatting, PowerPoint for presentations, CapCut for video courses. Many of these tools are free to start with. Once your product is ready, the next step is selling it. Some popular platforms are Gumroad, Etsy, Payship, Shopify, and your own website. You can also promote your products through YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and WhatsApp. How can you get your first sale? Now let's talk about getting customers. Here are a few steps. Create helpful content. Post YouTube shorts, sharing Instagram reels, use copying others, use Pinterest, join Facebook communities, ask friends and family to share your products. Consistency is very important, and earning depend on your product quality and marketing. If you sell a 299 rupees template to 100 people, you will earn 29,900 rupees. If you sell a 999 course to 100 people, you will earn 99,900 rupees. Your income can grow as your audience grows. Before you start, avoid these mistakes. Copying other creators' work, poor quality designs, not promoting your products, giving up after a few days. Keep learning and improving. So these were the basics of earning money by selling digital product. Start with one product, improve it over time and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content about online earning, freelancing, AI tools and digital marketing. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.